No, no! Look at that outfit! It's awful, dreadful, horrible! And I mean that as a compliment, of course. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my land! Hey! You've already got cake! You trying to make a dupe out of me? I love it! Are you paying attention? Because I'm thinking this may be the last time you hear my Oogie Boogie song. Look at this guy. He's ancient. He's ugly. And I gotta tell you, I don't know which is worse. Well, well, well. So this is what kids consider scary these days. Ah, you're joking! You're joking! You're hopeless! You're hopeless! Oh, does that sound harsh? Good! Come on in, folks! There's enough for everyone! Anyone want to play dice? What do we have here? Candy. Disgusting.